It's like 11. So 11 foot. So what 10 foot they could work still too. Because like this piece of job, this is what's in the snake. That's really right.
Yeah, Matthew. I'm hungry, but I'm gonna rest now. Rest till tomorrow. Yeah, just share the live. I'll see you on Sunday. Sunday. Big up on yourself, guys. Be safe out there, right? Why come work out there? Why come fish out there? Peaceful out there. This is what we want to continue to be a peaceful community where we fish, right?
That's right, that's right.
We eat for the sea, we eat for the natural resources. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, share this live because Sunday will be a big day. Will be a massive day. remind everybody to come out on Sunday morning. We can fix repair once and for all. You know, I guess make it safer for the fishers, make it safer for visitors, make it safer for children, make it safer for everybody. So come on out Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a nice day. We pray that everybody come in and do their part. And hey,
At the finish and they have one just do the lead, couple things.
I gotta go. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for sharing the live. Remember, Tong Pia, it will be a nice day. It will be. Ayo.